Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both sides coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Brand new banger.
Wagwan peeps. Today is Saturday. Yeah, they are put on some clothes. I know y'all people didn't miss my life vlogs them, but I'm here. Alright peeps, I'm on a rush out right now. I go sort out myself more and so, well, I'm pretty much done. Simple beats. But we're gonna do something today. We're gonna link up with Sash, Hasari, and my Thia, and my Hasari too.
Look at this dude.
The Valkyries. The Valkyrie girls. Okay? Always mix up the name or something like that. Alright? Try first, big up yourself. There are streamers, multi-talented, awesome girls. So you guys gonna meet my wives. So y'all come, journey with your boy. We're gonna play some game, streams. The girls gonna talk to you. And just go and journey with your boy. You see it? Whoop! Guess who's beside me? The pretty one.
Mountain.
Ice water.
Alright, so sign us up for this.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
This is your girl Hasari. You can find me on Instagram at Hasari2Uchiha. And we're actually at Trifles this house right now. We're going to stream some games. And going through some games, have some discussions and stuff, talk about anime. Basically here to have fun. Alright, you send the link as well. Where this blew up on from? Like, I can't do a good intro. Yeah, but anyways, we got a new channel going on. Remember you guys do subscribe to User's page and yeah, have fun.
I am taking over this joint. Hello, people. Okay. I'm sorry. 1 minute. Hi, I'm Empress Nile. Where the camera at? I know I'm retarded. I'm Empress Nile. I'm gonna be streaming, featuring the lovely Sinus Gaming. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff, and this is almost a minute. I don't know what else to say. But catch it. You can find me on YouTube at Empress Nile. If you see me on Sinus's streams, there's the one person always trolling. Yeah, that's me. So, here, that's that. Have a great day. Be safe.
Hi. I don't know what to say.
What is up, everyone? It is Vivid Queen, aka Thia, or maybe Thia, aka Vivid Queen. I'm not sure. What do I say about myself? I'm a gamer. I'm a model. I dance. I kinda sing. I'm tall. I'm not very funny. I'm 21. I'm turning 22 this year. And I really enjoy streaming with Tripers and Slash and Hasari.
I'm your Valkyrie Apple, and I love video games. One of my favorite games is the Need for Speed. Yeah, in real life, I do Need for Speed. But anyways, I love Need for Speed, and I'll also play some games like Mario Bros. And Pac-Man. I also love the dance-off games, and also, well, I love all games. I actually love to be introduced to new and different types of games. I mean, the fun in it is getting to learn the game and enjoying the game as well. So I'm open to games overall and fun playing the game. So therefore, I'm a gamer. So yeah, I'm your girl Apple Simon, and I'm all for the game.
Hi, welcome. My name is Alethea,
and I'm hoping that we really get to have some fun today. One of the games that I really love to play is Mario Go-Kart 8. I've been practicing and getting a lot better. So I'm hoping that we'll have some fun with that today. And I hope you guys enjoy the time watching all of us. Bye.
Right now, going to stream some video games, have a little discussion, and have some fun. Check us out.
Kick it.
Ice water.
Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Come on! The slim and trim, you know you can bend up do anything.
And we love. Yeah. Yeah, baby, I am mean Thia. Yeah, baby, jiggle everything. Yeah, Perry. Yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, baby. Como so kita ya. Umana so tita. Yeah, baby, chat to me. Tie me. Yeah, baby, me like that cash pot number 4.
It enjoy so me take it out wetter. Longer it stay at the sweet I get her. Me love Jacqueline, Suzette and Rebecca. Every month 10 gal I write me them letter. Enough for me life girl, them a text setter. Take it for the worst, you got smart for the better. Me name Kappa, girl them whopper. Love them tonight straight, back till forever.
Well, the slim and trim is that you can't bend up do anything. Can't do the dance if you a stuffed chicken, you want him. Ice water. Fight!
Okay, obviously you cannot feel the immense love behind those words. Of course he doesn't mean so. That's just how he speaks overall. There is no one who can love better than Jotaro. Actually.
Hold on, let me say something. What kind of person who has to have
That's just how Jotaro is.
if that's the way you way show love to me, if that's the kind of words you may use towards me to tell me that you love me, I don't want your love. I don't want your love. I'm the one who pushed you out of my womb.
Okay, no, you're taking this too literal. That's just how Jotaro is. In essence, he's afraid to just like accept the love and you know, just feel it all mushy and stuff. That's the kind of thing he is. So by those words, he is presumably pushing it away when he knows he likes it. Actually, nobody can do better than Jotaro. He just doesn't want to show it. It's just like uncomfortable for him to show it. That's why I just have a calm demeanor like that.
What's the deal? What's the deal?
It's okay.
Dad, no. She dance until you hear a word from heaven say dance.
Me are you?
No,
Me are you?
No, me not even sweat guys. Me never dance. None at all. Let them dance. Look at her. She.
I have the videos to prove.
What videos?
What videos?
Huh?
What videos? Did you
Yo,
just ask
she
me
be
what videos?
lying vlogger. I don't know what she be talking about.
Ah, wait.
She just capping.
Is this capping?
What's
Who
that?
is that?
So it's 5 of y'all.
No, that YouTube be called that. That's not me. That's YouTube be called that. Oh, that's me.
Yo! Hurry up,
You have to go to a different one. You have to go to a different one. You can't choose the same one.
Shit. Oh, shit.
I got it. No,
Yes!
I didn't get it. No.
Yes!
Finish.
You go that way. You go that way. No, don't go that way. Go down. Go down.
Yes.
That works.
Yes.
This is not happening. Don't put the camera in my face. I said not to put the camera in my face.
Empress. So, Rasta.
First of all,
So hold on.
right?
So Rasta, what go on? Something, you know, say this no spell it still. Me no. What go on?
Hunger, A, and B. I don't normally eat chicken. Hi again.
Yes.
Today was a very successful day. We had some games playing and everyone danced to Just Dance and they almost died. It's by God's grace and mercy where they're still awake and still moving. There was a lot of dancing. Special thanks to Sinos for coming in with us and partying and doing what we do. If you want to see me and the rest of the squad right here, you can check us out at Empress Nile. It's E-M-P-R-E. Stop it. E-M-P-R-3-S-S Nile. So, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm looking at y'all, okay? Alright. No, y'all still heard me though.
Hello, Apple.
Hi, how are you?
How was the day?
It was awesome. It was like, yeah, awesome. Amazing.
See, alright, so guys, you see the serious face? One game we name Mario Party of everybody head chip.
And I wasn't moving. I was moving.
See, she in the mood.
It's not about. It's not that I'm God. Well, let me just explain it. The express is zero.
Serious.
I didn't chip.
Yeah,
she licked the fuse boss.
I have it. I'm sorry, I'm master man. I'm sorry, I trim it down. You call on the worker. Apple. Yeah.
The hunger is near, you know, man. All blood pressure pill out, you know, man.
Money in the bag!
No, son, get out.
Did you ever do this?
Fight!
How was the day?
Awesome, it was awesome, it was great. Everyone came and we played games and wanted to rip each other's hair out, so you're gonna see all of that.
Then.
Where is the camera? I feel dumb now. It's just ridiculous. It's right there, right?
Yes, you're gonna look
All right.
Still awkward, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Well, that was the end of that, and thank you for coming.
Thanks.
You had fun.
Yeah, I did.
I know your way here now, right? I was still complicated. Because, you know,
That's alright.
but
That's alright.
I'm
Thia will take care of me.
well, hopefully you can come back and do the same thing all over again. I want to see the vlog when it comes out.
Yeah, man, I'll try to sort out for tomorrow, definitely.
Like, send
Big
me
up
the
to all of the
link
people
first,
them where they are burn me out. Right?
one link first,
Run under
as
the
the
water.
press send out the world.
Oh, yeah, me does.
Sasha!
Yeah, man,
Yes,
definitely.
yes.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to watch it.
So you had fun, right?
Yes, I had fun.
We should have a longer time, you know? Start earlier. Start well, bear in mind I made it late. So I apologize. They were helping me to find here, okay? So yeah,
But now that won't happen. He knows his way here, right?
yeah, this Hasari gonna carry me next time. Right, honey?
Here?
No, but anyway, peeps, it's been a great day, eventful day. Enough vibes, enough dancing. Yo, Just Dance 20 was lit. But anyway, peeps, hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link
But they're also
to the beautiful girly channels. The Val. Tell them the name.
My channel is Empress Nile.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder what you do still live, huh?
Did I say the Valkyries?
The YouTube channel is Empress Nile. You want to find us on Instagram, it's the Valkyries of Arcadia. Just that, Valkyries of Arcadia. Yeah, that's how you gonna find us.
All of that they down here, so head over the page and just go bang 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 on that like button down below and support your Jamaican YouTubers for sure. And leave a like on this because we truly appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed. You're all the greatest in the world. God bless you and remember that nothing can stop us, guys. God are your rock. Ashoo!